So again, let me grab a quick drink and we'll bring up the Fed rate monitoring tool and the Fed watch tool, and we'll talk about how the Hawkish Fed Hold has impacted the probabilities for future rate hikes. And again, you can find these tools here. There's direct links in the notes. You can also find these tools, links to these tools, under the link section on our homepage, beachbumtrading.com, bum without the U. So again, if you ever want to look up the current probabilities as they change, as the economic data comes out, as the market digests this Hawkish Fed Hold, you can access those tools again in the link section on our homepage, beachbumtrading.com, bum without the U, at any time. So I bring those up, grab a drink, and we'll look at those, how the probabilities have changed. Also, we have videos that you can access via the links in the notes or on our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel on how to use each of these tools, how to navigate them, etc. So okay, so now we look at the Fed rate monitoring tool on investing.com first. We see we've got plenty of time now till the next meeting, which is November 1st. So you can see right now for November, market's still pricing with 72% chance of a hold, only 30% chance of a hike. So again, the market hasn't really adjusted for that. What most of the Fed officials are saying is they're saying we're expecting a hike before the end of this year. They're not expecting it in November yet. And again, they've only got a 60% chance in December. So again, the market doesn't seem to be listening to what the Fed's been saying, what they are saying, that they're going to hike. They're only 37% chance in December. And they told you most of the officials want a hike before the end of the year. So it's either going to be November or December. Again, my humble opinion, I think we'll get it November. I think it's a better timing, seasonality wise. So again, we see that probability. Actually, it went down from Thursday. So Friday, it went actually, the percentage of a hike in November went down, and the percentage in December went down. So again, right now the market's not listening. So again, that sets us up for a potential shock. If they do come out in November and hike, we could get a negative reaction like we got this week. So even in January, the probability of being over 5.5 is still less than 40%. So again, right now, as per this Fed rate monitoring tool, the market's not really listening to what Powell and the other Fed officials have told them, that we're going to get another hike before the end of this year. So let's look at the CME Fed Watch tool, see if it says the same thing. So again, now for November, pretty much the same, 74% stay, 26% hike. We jump up to December. Again, 54% stay, 38% hike, and 7% even a 50 basis point hike. So a small percentage of 50 in December. Then January, hold about 50%, about 40%, 25 basis point hike, and about 7%, 50 basis point hike. So they seem to be, relatively consistent. And again, right now, as of right now, the market is not pricing in the probability of that additional rate hike that the FOMC members have pretty much said they expect. So unless something changes, inflation dramatically decreases, unemployment dramatically increases, or get a recession, which again we're not going to even know if we're in a recession now for 2 quarters past now, so we're not going to know that this year. I don't expect the Fed to change course from an additional 25 basis point hike. So assuming we get this additional 25 basis point hike by the end of 2023, what do we expect the impact of that to be, whether we get it in November or December? Well, higher treasury and bond yields, right? Interest rates, yields have to go up, which means treasury and bond prices have to go down. So again, whether or not the treasuries and bonds are going to price that in advance, or if they're going to wait till that additional hike, we expect treasury prices to continue down, yields to continue up. We also expect higher mortgage rates. Mortgage rates are related to the 10-year treasury. So as the 10 yield of the 10-year treasury goes up, mortgage rates are going to go up. So existing home sales down, potentially new home sales down if the home builders don't compensate for those higher mortgage rates. Also higher money market rates, which means people will move more of their capital into money markets, short-term treasuries. Again, if you're getting between over 5% up to 5.5% on your cash at a very low risk, you're going to see more people move their money into those instruments. And again, that's along our theme we talked about for a long time now, is now with higher rates, low risk, there are real reasonable alternatives to stocks. So again, outflow money out of stocks into bonds, into money markets. So again, higher credit card loan interest rates. So again, credit card debt will go up, loan debt will go up, people's taking out loans will decrease, higher cost of capital and credit in 2024. So after they get the additional rate hike in 2023, the Fed officials, Powell, etc., have said higher for longer. They don't expect a cut in 2024. He talked about kind of the criteria for a potential cut would have to be, signs that inflation was under control, or that the economy, was in a recession. And again, they're targeting a soft landing. He believes they can achieve a soft landing. So there's no reason for them to cut anytime soon. So again, cost of capital and credit 2024 is going to be high. So companies may, refinance now or not at all if the cost of capital is just too high. So lower investment, lower capex if it needs to be debt based. So given all of this and that we can't see with any certainty when that additional 25 basis point rate hike is going to be, how do you position your portfolio? How do you navigate this fallout from the Hawkish Fed Hold? Well, past couple weeks ago, we talked about patience pays in the stock market. So it pays to be patient, wait for things to shake out. Again, as the probabilities of these rate hikes shake out a bit, we might get a little bit more clarity. And again, you're making money on your cash. You can go into short-term treasuries, get dividend payers. So again, we'll talk about tomorrow. And again, patience pays. So if we're patient, we can make more money, preserve our capital. And again, you can hear more details about some of our strategies in terms of why we believe patience pays, and how to use that strategy in this video via the link in the notes or on our channel. can also hear we're wrapping up September. This is the last full trading week in September. So you can hear our video about how to make money trading in September, the best performing sectors, etc. That's, we commented, talked about how September is typically the worst month of the year. So again, we're trying to get through September, being patient. We can wait till the markets tend to rebound in October, November, December. So again, it pays to be patient this week. We might get some, overreactions, good opportunities, and we'll talk about those again tomorrow relative to our shopping list, etc. Also, we've got end of month and end of quarter repositioning at the end of this week. So again, be aware. People will be repositioning. The fund managers will be repositioning their funds for the next quarter at the end of this week as well. We've also we're headed into fall. We'll have the first official day of fall this week. I was going to title this whole week Make Money Trading This Fall. We'll probably do that next week. I didn't really expect such a negative reaction to the Fed announcement, as again, they've been telling us this for a long time. So I was again surprised that we got such a negative fallout from this Hawkish Fed Hold. Again, they held, and they've been saying they expect 1 or 2 rate hikes for a long time. So again, I was a little bit surprised. So we've got a couple bonus videos we'll be probably releasing this week on how the market perform in the fall, best market sectors and industries in the fall. And you can access those now via the links in the notes. So again, we'll be talking, we'll get through this week. The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the BeachBum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord, We're also posting our um, trade positions initially in our Discord. And again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow BeachBum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.